Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021 European distribution, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which this device comes by default. So now I'll just open the box, and here inside, as can you see, we get the only charger brick, original one, XIAOMI one, with all the specs here on this side of the charger, and here the also original USB-C cable, and also here inside of this paper box we get the SIM ejector tool, and also the instructions and the silicone case, the clear silicone case of our device. So there are all of the accessories inside the box of XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.